Today we will be analyzing the AARONS company, ticker symbol AAN. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's start with the analysis. As always, we're going to do a top-down analysis, looking at what's going on the bigger picture before we look to see where our entry is. So this stock chart right now, every candle represents 1 month of time. So as you can see here, back in November of 2020, it had an IPO date, and then it crashed for November, December, and January, and then just this month is now showing some form that is wanting to go back up to all-time highs. It's looking to bounce from here. Now at the $15-16 range down here, this is all-time lows. So it formed this bullish pin bar candle, and then a piercing candle or almost engulfing candle here. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So price came up to the supply zone, got rejected, came back down to this all-time lows. So this is technically could be considered as demand zone. Price dropped into this zone, and now it's starting to have a very strong reaction back up. So this candle, this green candle here, is showing us confirmation that yes, it's most likely going to go back up. And same thing here, the daily form a very nice, this is a confirmed demand zone bounce, and so now it's bouncing, and it has a lot of room to reach. There's a little supply zone here, but once it closes above that, it has lots of room. It has lots of room to move up, all the way up here. So it will take some time to play out. It's not going to happen overnight, but looks like it's bottoming out right here, and there's so much room. There's nothing above for it to go. So those are the kinds of trades that we're looking for. We're looking for these type of trades that are very cheap, because when you are a supply and demand trader, you're wanting to buy stocks that are discounted. You want to buy at wholesale, even better than discounted. You want to buy stocks at wholesale and sell at retail. So down here is wholesale. This is where all of the big boys institutions are buying. They sold off here. All of the retail people bought up here. It bought at IPO day, IPO initial public offering, whatever, and then the big boys sold off their positions, and the little guys took the loss, and then the little guys were selling until down here, and then finally, even down here, the little guys are trying to buy, but they always get rejected until here. Once we saw this big move, retrace, looks good to buy again. Especially once these highs are broken, lots of room to the upside back up here before we are interested in selling again. So that's the power of supply and demand. Never be afraid to look at these stocks that are down huge. It's not always your Teslas and Apples and Microsoft that are making you money. Those are going to crash. Who knows when it's going to crash, but those are going to crash. It's these type of stocks that we're looking to buy and make a very, very nice profit all the way up here. So this is, you're risking this amount, and reward is all the way up here. So it's lots of room to profit, lots of opportunities. Just remember, I'm not a professional trader, financial advisor, so make your own trading decisions. And that is it for this analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and forex using supply and demand. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.